Alright, as I suspected, unless I come earlier, I will have no time to get food. We're going to do a little bit of a car talk today as I'm on my way to my internship. So, on my way to my internship,
Speed camera reported ahead.
Definitely some things I could have done better, right? Woke up, should have started with my Bible, should have started with prayer. Luckily, I prayed, I did my Bible. I'm gonna try and get a whiteboard so I could write down the stuff I have to do daily, because I saw Blasian do it, and at first I was opposed, but I think it's honestly a really good idea that I start doing it, because then it'll keep me accountable. I did that. I had to set up my computer so I'm able to check it before I go, because I did wake up late today. Alright, I woke up late. Well, I woke up early, but then I continued to just stay in bed late, right? But then we formulated our bias in the morning. At first, I was married to that bias last night of us being bullish because of the relative equal highs. But, excuse me, I was able to actually look at the market, and I was like, but if it was relative equal highs, it shouldn't be displacing this much lower like this. In fact, we should have taken it overnight, right? But we didn't, and we left it. And then I look, and I'm seeing price breaking lows, rejecting highs, and it formed a perfect London reversal with a key time bearish profile, right? So in the fair value, you got respecting bearish period raise, disrespecting bullish period raise. So I'm like, oh, okay. Then we got inside bar candle accumulation, right? I took a picture before. I said, this is beautiful. This is actually looking like a great day setup. What I would want to see is price at 8:30, preferably 9:30. Go and take out that liquidity, right? I gotta be more careful when I'm driving. Go and take out that liquidity. So, what does price do? Price goes and it takes it out around my manipulation window of 8:30, right? Doing everything I said I wanted to do, doing everything I expected I wanted to do. S&T. The thing is, it just didn't do it cleanly, right? We swept it. I could have entered, but I wanted to wait for 9:30 because it wasn't a clear sweep up, sweep down. It wasn't thick up close, thick down close. It didn't fit my reversal profile. Price goes, starts at around like 827, I would say, 827 to 829, and it starts to manipulate higher into the 15-minute order block that was created at 8:30, right? The way it was going, it was close to 9:30. I thought we were just gonna completely blow past it, but no, we started to respect it. That created a propulsion block. Beautiful. I wanted to enter there off of NQ because NQ was looking cleaner. NQ had clear dolls. So did ES, but ES was kind of lagging behind, right? If we got it on NQ, but we didn't get on ES, there'd be a lot of bigger high time frame S&T. But we weren't able to. We didn't get filled. The propulsion block on ES got filled. Started to dump lower. I said, okay, NQ is not going to give us an entry. I'm going to switch to ES and see what I can take. I marked out the breaker. Had a good stop. Never got filled. Price continued to just dump below it. I'm glad I placed it at the wick, not the body, remembering that it's a flushing day. After that heavy displacement, you're not gonna get that, which is why my stop, I don't expect my stop to get hit, because on flushing days there's no reason it should go for a breakaway gap, or else I'm on the wrong side. So I didn't get filled, and that's okay, right? I will be going over the trade on my TikTok, just a trade review. I'll just go over what I wrote in my journal. No trade today, but price flushed, hit the dolls that I said it was going to. I said once it hits this certain doll and I don't get filled, I just move on to the next day. Post news day, really clean day, really clean bearish day. I'm glad I got my daily profile right. I'm glad I got my doll right. I'm glad I got my bias right. I'm just gonna continue doing that, and then I have my pocket windows in time. We had, like we said, that's why I need my third period clear. It kind of was clear, which is why I was able to see it clearly. but it wasn't as clear as it could have been. That's why I need, third period clear, that we have that time manipulation window. After that, boom, now all I have to do is just go pick up my girlfriend. After that's over, we walk to class, I'll finish the trade. But so far, my classes, if it continues like this for the rest of the year, I can see myself gaining multiple trading days. I just don't like people knowing I'm trading, so what I'm going to invest in is a privacy screen for my MacBook. And then, yeah. But I just wanted to talk today about not having trades every single day. I'm going to try and do these car talks every single day, upload them on YouTube, delete it off my phone, because I need storage. But yeah, I was like, okay, I know I'm going to be going to my internship, right? I know I'm going to be going to my internship. It's better to be early on the first day than on time, because early is on time is late. I'll be there. I won't be square. And yeah, today was a generally clean day. Start of September, already seeing clean moves. That's exactly what I like to see. Even Monday, yesterday, which I don't necessarily trade, especially because yesterday was Labor Day. It was genuinely clean. Generally clean. One thing as well, though, I will say, is it better if I do my car talks like this? Do you think it's better if I do it like this? We'll see. We'll do it like this for this car talk. One thing I will say, is that I'm looking so jarring. No, I'm joking. One thing I will say is that it's definitely a lot easier in September than it is in August. What I've seen, knowing my model, having it perfected now, and just taking it. And if I lose, I lose. If I win, I win. Keep logging into Tradeovate because it's logging me out. Right? I was starting to, my emotions were starting to get heightened, but I remember, it's just, literally, do this or you do nothing. You want the money or not, right? I'm starting to become more emotionally detached to it, which is exactly what I want, right? Because, yes, at the end of the day, it's still money, it costs up money, but that doesn't mean you be scared with it. If you don't do it, just don't accept the risk, right? So I was planning on risking about 0.5% today on the first one, right? Didn't want to start too down. Internet, something, this, that. I wanted to de-risk because it's just a process. It's a journey that you keep doing and doing and doing. But, yeah, we didn't get filled today, which is no problem. We'll show up tomorrow. We had 10 o'clock news, which is why I preferably wanted 9:30 to take the high, but it didn't. That's completely fine, right? 8:30 took it. I'm gonna take it so cleanly to where it was like, oh, okay, yeah, this is just clear manipulation. What hinted at that was definitely the SMT, right? What hinted at that, I hate driving by trucks, by the way. I can't be the only one. I feel like the truck is always going to hit me, so I'm gonna speed past this truck. What hinted at that for sure was the SMT we had, right? Key time, SMT, flush day. All you need. That's gonna be something that's going towards in my notes. But yeah, it's just one to journal, one to definitely journal. That's really all I wanted to talk about. Car talks don't have to be that long. I'm on my way to my internship. I'm gonna do some internship work. First day of my internship, do some internship work. Do that. Journal, then back test, boom. Took 0 trades today, but our bias was right. Our entry was right. My bias was right. Where we wanted to enter was right. Time manipulation was right. It was all good. We just didn't get an entry, and that's fine. If I was sitting there, by myself, is it potentially that I could have got an entry? Yeah, potentially. But it doesn't mean that it would have happened. It's just saying I could have. Simple as that. Alright? Which is alright. It's fine. We go on to the next one. I don't like
Watch out, vehicle on shoulder ahead.
So we're gonna switch it there because I think y'all can see me better there. So I'm sorry for the switching. But yeah. That's basically all I want to talk about. Today's trading day wasn't bad. Accepting no trading days but being right knowing that, okay, I could have been right and still lost money. Being right and not losing money is a lot better than being right and losing money, right? Of course, being right and winning money is the best of all of them. But at the end of the day, God was able to clear my mind and show me what I wanted to see in the markets. And that's all I wanted to see. I got what I wanted to see. I was able to analyze it well. I was able to get it well. I was able to know where my risk was going to be. I was able to manage my risk. We just never got filled, and there's going to be days that be like that. 10 o'clock news, we wanted 9:30 manipulation, 10 o'clock distribution, right? 8:30, we kind of wanted to act in a time distortion due to no liquidity being injected into the market. We didn't have a volatility driver. But, like, that's all good. It's fine. It's literally fine, right? It happens. 8:30, manipulated. 9:30, distributed. I knew as soon as it started pumping heavy, it was going to distribute. We wouldn't get that on IQ. So, 9:30, distributed.
Multiple lanes merging ahead.
10 o'clock, continuation. And yeah, if I were to check, I believe, sorry, I'm trying to get my phone to check the prices for y'all.
Watch out, vehicle on shoulder ahead.
Okay, wish I got food, because I know I could go faster than what it says, but it's better safe than sorry. I'll just get something after. Alright, but we're gonna look at it. Enjoy my national hotspot. Right. It's not working, but I'm trying to get into TradingView right now, and I would show you that it just dropped. But yeah, that's it for the car talk. I'm gonna definitely, I mean, these aren't going public, or I'll just I'll put this under an alias and then I'll upload it, and it'll just be on a different, so there's no connection between the two. All right. But I'll upload it on TikTok first, and then I'll try and do it on YouTube as well. But yeah, because I don't really like attaching my face to the amount of money I make, but it might just happen eventually. But I feel like I already am secure with the group of people I have. I wouldn't put the group of people I have, I wouldn't show them in college, and then after college, like, it's it. But like, at some point, they're gonna know by the car I drive, by the things I wear, the stuff I have. So yeah, I just don't like people in my business, but it's what happens when you post it for everybody to be in your business. So yeah, I will see y'all later.